Hello guys and welcome to the crib. In this video I will show you how to interact with the Nexon Finance Testnet. You don't want to miss out on this because there's likely going to be an airdrop once you test this network. So basically it was a closed test, but they recently made it public. So I'm going to be showing you how you can go about testing this Nexon Finance testnet. So basically what you need is you need a Mises browser. I'm going to be leaving the links below, and you need a Trust Wallet extension, and then you're going to be importing or manually adding the ZK Sync test network to the MetaMask. So basically all the step-by-step actions that you need to take, I'm going to be leaving it in my Telegram and in my Twitter account. So once you follow my Telegram and my Twitter, you're going to be seeing a step-by-step and you can follow along. So this is just basically a video representation of how to go about it. So once you've done all those steps and then you've requested the test token, the link and everything, they are all in the Twitter and the Telegram page. Once you've requested a test token and then you've visited the Nexon Finance or the testnet.nexon.finance, this is what you're going to see. You connect your wallet. As you can see down here, my wallet is connected. You connect your wallet, and then by the right side here you're going to see claim tokens. So I've already claimed the tokens, that's why it's not showing here. By the right side, this the bottom right corner here, you're going to see claim token. So once you click on claim token, it's going to prompt you to confirm the transaction in your Trust Wallet. And don't forget, your Trust Wallet should be on the ZK Sync test network. So once you confirm the transaction, the test token will be released to you. So basically, as you can see, we have DAI wallet, we have $10 worth of DAI, we have USDC, $10 worth of USDC, we have WBTC, $10 worth of that. And this is what we're going to be using to test the Nexon Finance. So what do you do next is you want to click on any of the tokens. Let's start with DAI. Once you click on DAI, you're going to see this: supply, borrow, withdraw, and repay. So these are just the activities we're going to be carrying out. As you can see here, this box, you can uncheck that and you can check it. So this we want to make sure this button here is checked, and then you want to put the amount of DAI you want to supply. Once I tap on max, you're going to see. So I'm going to approve this. Again, I'm prompted here to confirm the transaction. And this is why, guys, you need Mises browser. It's really cool and very fast. So advise you download. The links and everything will be in the description. Just download Mises browser, and by the way, you can get an airdrop for downloading Mises browser. So just like killing two birds with a stone. So you confirm. So as you can see, all done. Once you confirm and you supply and you confirm, you can see all done. Okay and close. You supplied 10 DAI, so we okay and we close. As you can see, our wallet now, we have no DAI because we have supplied the whole 10 we had. You want to do the same for USDC. You want to check the collateral, you approve, you confirm. So as you can see, you want to supply USDC. Again, you want to click on max, you want to supply everything, you approve. Again, let's confirm the transaction, and then next you want to go ahead and supply, confirm. As you can see, all done. You supplied 10 USDC. Okay and close. Let's go down to WBTC. Let's check this on, and let's check this. Let's confirm the transaction. So now want to approve. Sorry, we have to put the amount max. then we approve, and you want to confirm the transaction, and you want to go ahead and supply, confirm. All done. You supply 10 WBTC. Okay, and close. So you can see we've done this for the 3 tokens we received. So the next thing you want to do is you want to come over to the first one, which is the DAI again. You want to tap on that. We've supplied already. Now what we want to do is we want to borrow. So you want to tap on that borrow and tap on Save Max, and you want to borrow. Confirm the transaction. As you can see, you've borrowed 11.25 DAI. All done. Okay, and close. You want to do the same thing for USDC, and you want to do the same thing for WBTC. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not going to be showing all that process, but that's the same thing you're going to do before you move to the next step. So I've borrowed for all the tokens, and then the next thing I want to do is you want to still go back to the DAI again. You want to start again from DAI. This time around you want to repay. So let's tap on repay. Once you tap on repay, you want to tap on max, and you want to repay. You confirm the transaction. As you can see, you've repaid. Now it doesn't have to be max, but I'm just using the max to repay the max amount I borrowed earlier. Let's go to USDC and repeat the same thing. You want to tap on repay. This time around I won't use max. Let me use 1 and repay. So I'm just going to confirm. And it's all done. Go to the last one, which is the WBTC. Do the same. Tap on repay, and let us repay 1. Repay. So confirm transaction, and we are all done. So by doing these 3 things, basically you've tested the Nexon Finance network. Other things you can just go ahead and play around with all this. You can go ahead and maybe try to withdraw, and let's say 1, you withdraw, you confirm, and it's all done, as you can see. So basically you're just playing around with all this. Just play around with them. Basically it's just to supply, borrow, withdraw, and repay. This is basically the things you're going to be interacting with. So guys, like I said, I've left a step-by-step guide on my Telegram and on my Twitter, so you can just follow. If there's anything you don't understand or you missed a step, you can just ask me questions there, and I'm going to be responding to you. Or you can also comment down the video on the comment section, and I'm also respond to you. So this is just basically how to carry out this test.